Hello and welcome. On this episode of Tool Thursday, we do our Milwaukee M12 Fuel Impact and Hammer Drill Driver. The Impact is a model number 2553-20. There goes Abby trying to escape. The drill is a model number 250420. I can almost guarantee that these are not the most current models. We got these things 3 or 4 years ago when we had an injury in our hand and we couldn't close our hand small enough to use a DeWalt. And out of the box, I am totally amazed at how powerful these things are for 12-volt tools. But anyway, let's pull up the specs online. We'll go over these tools one by one. This Impact is brushless. It has 1,300 inch-pounds of torque. It's equipped with Red Link intelligence that protects the battery and the motor. It's capable of 4,000 impacts per minute. It is 5 inches long. It weighs 1.76. It has a height of 7.8 inches and a max RPM of 3,300. It's rated 4.9 out of 5 in the reviews. It appears that the current model is a little bit different. This one has one light in the front, which does a pretty good job illuminating the area you're working. The new model has 3 lights around the chuck. I'm sure it does amazing. This one, like the current model, has the battery indicator on the side. It's got a very nice controllable variable speed trigger. This belt clip can be mounted on either side. It can take any M12 batteries. Right now we have a 1.5 amp hour in it. We're real fond of this thing. We use it a lot. We would definitely recommend it if you can get your hands on it. They're still available online as a bare tool, part of a kit, and so forth. Now let's move over to the drill. So the drill, on the other hand, is not the most current model. The drill, this model of drill, still did 4.7 out of 5 in reviews. It's got a metal single sleeve ratcheting 1/2 inch chuck on it, which we haven't had a lot of issues with it. The only thing I will say, like most 1/2 inch chucks, they don't necessarily grab the smallest of the drill bits very well. So sometimes a 3/8 chuck can be better. This has a single illuminating light up front. Just like the Impact, it's got a battery indicator on the side. Up here behind the chuck, you have the torque settings. Right now it's in straight drill. You can put it in hammer drill, and it actually will work like a hammer drill. And you've got 16:1 on this dial. It has a really positive feel to it. It's also a 2-speed drill. So it does pretty good in that aspect. Just like the Impact, the belt clip can be mounted on either side. I think we currently have a 3 amp hour battery in here. Again, it can take any M12 battery. So this tool is 6.6 inches long. It weighs 2.3 pounds. It has a height of 7.8 and a width of 3.05 with a maximum RPM of 1,700 RPM. And supposedly it has a peak torque of 350 inch-pounds, which I don't believe that, but that's what it says. So we use this tool a lot as well. I'm sure you've seen it in a couple of videos if you're fans of the channel. Now, it's not the most up-to-date model. It's good enough to where we're not going to upgrade anytime soon. We do want to grow our influence in the M12 platform. They've got some really nice battery-powered ratchets we would love to have, but man, they're proud of them. Well, that's our quick overview of our Milwaukee M12 fuel set. We purchased this at Home Depot 4 years ago, maybe even more. It's been a while since I've been in the field like that. We use it in the shop quite a bit. We recommend it. I believe you can still purchase these tools online even though they're not the most current model. Feel free to like the video if you enjoy the content. Share it with your friends that are interested in Milwaukee M12 tools. And we'll see you on the next episode of Abby Normal Garage.